Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, you will learn how to create or edit a hyperlink to a location on the web, to a file on your computer, to a new email message, to a location in the current document or another document. In addition to this, you will learn how to edit or change the appearance of a hyperlink. Now, if I want to create a hyperlink to a location on the web page, I will have to go to Insert tab. In the links, you will find a hyperlink. Press on it. Here a dialog box appears. It asks you to type the text to display. For example, I want to create a link of the yahoo.com. I can write here Yahoo. And here in the link to click on the existing file or web page. In the address bar, you will type the address of the Yahoo site, www.yahoo.com. This is the link that I want to open. When I click on Yahoo, I press OK button. As you can see, the Yahoo link has been created, but when I click on it, it will not open. If I want to open it, I will press Control button, and now I can click on Yahoo to open a link in the browser. It will open the browser. As you can see, the Yahoo link has been opened. You can now navigate in the site. Now I cross the browser. If I want to modify the link, I want to change the link, I will right click on the Yahoo and go to Edit Hyperlink. When I click on it, it appears in the editing mode. You can also change it. For example, I want to open the Yahoo Mail. I can change the text. I can also change the address of the website. When I click OK and try to open it, it will give me an error. Why? Click on it. The address of this site is not valid. Check the address and try again. Because I have not added a triple-w or HTTP protocol. So I have to write triple-w. It will automatically add HTTP protocol here. And I press OK. Now I try to open this link. It will open the link again in the browser. Now it will open mail.yahoo.com. Now I can sign in here by giving email ID and password. Close this link. I can also open it by right clicking on it and go to the open hyperlink. It will open in the browser again. So with this way you can open the link. Here you can see another option available, copy hyperlink. You can make the copy of the link, copy it and paste it to another location. For example here, and you can change the hyperlink, you can modify it. If I want to delete it or I want to remove the hyperlink, I will go to the remove hyperlink and it will remove the hyperlink. Now this is the simple text. I can change, I can modify it, or I can delete it. Here, now I want to create a link to a file which is available in my computer. Go down, go to the insert, click on hyperlink. Here, type the text, for example, my document or my private document. Now, go to the location where you have stored the document. For example, data, my documents, and I want to open this new Microsoft Word document that I have created previously. As you can see, the document is appeared here. When I click on the more private document, you can see the tip, file, my document, new Microsoft link. It is showing me the path of the file with the name of the document. I can change it, go to the right, edit, hyperlink. Now here you can see screen tips. When I click here, I can write anything here. For example, my private data. Press OK. Again press OK. When I mouse over on my private document text, as you can see, my tip has changed. So with this way, you can change the tip of the document and link to the document. Now click on my private document. It will inform me and warn me that this is a harmful document. Do you want to open it or not? Because some hyperlinks can be harmful. As this is my personal document, I am fully confident that I can continue with this document. As you can see, the document has been opened. Now I can change it, modify it, or I can close it. Now I want to create a hyperlink to a new email message. Similar way, I will go to the hyperlink, or there is another way to go hyperlink. Right click and the hyperlink option will appear. Click on the link. This is a shortcut way. Now go to email address, type the text that will appear in the text. For example, email me. Type the email address to which you want to send the mail. For example, md at, type the subject, test mail. If you already send the message to someone, it will appear here. The email address will appear here with the subject. I can also select from here. Now select OK. Now the link appeared. When I click on the link, it will open the link in the application that you email application. Here I can select any application for example Google, Outlook, Yahoo, and sign in with the Yahoo. That will open the compose dialog box. I don't want to open it right now. Now I want to link a document. I want to create a link within a document. I want to jump to the specific location of the document. First, I will have to create a bookmark. You can see the option bookmark in the insert tab. First, create a bookmark. For example, I want to jump to the page number 3. This is page number 2. Go to page number 3. Here you can see I am on page 3 of 3. I want to create a bookmark here. Click on the bookmark. It will ask me the name of the bookmark. For example, page 3. Edit and also page number 4. Go to the bookmark. Create the bookmark again. Page 4. I cannot give the space here. For example, I type 4. As you can see, it is disabled. I have to write a name without the space. Edit. Now, two bookmarks has been added. Now go to the page number 1 as I am here. Now click the hyperlink. Go to page 1. First select the text. Click on hyperlink. Go to existing file or web page. Here you can see text. Go to page 1. You can maintain it or now jump to the plus in this document. Here you can see the options available, bookmarks, page 3 and page 4. These two boxes we have created. Now I want to jump on page 3. Select on it and change the text. Go to page number 3. Similarly, I can copy it and paste again. I can modify it. Now select it again. Right click on it. Go to hyperlink. Plus in this document. Select page number 4 and click OK. Now when I click on page number 3, it will directly jump to the page number 3 as I am on page 3 of 4. I can also create a hyperlink here. Go to top of the page. Select it, right click on it, go to hyperlink. Now I want to go to top of the document, click on it and OK. Now when I click on it, as you can see I am on page 3 of 4, it will go to the top of the page. This is the page number 1. Now click on go to page number 4. It will jump directly to the page number 4. I can also create another hyperlink to go to the top of the page. Go to top. First select it, then right click on it, click on the hyperlink. Here you can see in the link to place in this document, select top of the document. Press OK. Now when I click on go to top, it will directly take me from page number 4 to page number 1. Now I can also edit or change the appearance of a hyperlink. For example, I copy it, go to page number 4, paste it here. Now first select it and right click on it. Here you can see an option available, font. Click on it. I can change the font of the page, font of the text. For example, NCB. Now I can make it bold. I can increase the size of the font. I can also change the color. For example, green. I can make the caps all caps. Go to page 4. As you can see, this is go to page 4. Initial letter is capital. Rest of them are small. Now here, when I click on all caps, it will make it capital. All letters will become capital. Now when I press OK, link has changed. The color has changed. I can also make it underline. So you can see dotted underline. I can make the color gray. So with this way you can change the appearance of the hyperlink. As it is appearing different color, we have selected green color. It is not appearing because we have already clicked on it. When I create a new hyperlink like google.com, select it, go to the hyperlink, existing page, make the site name google.com. As it is below, when I click on it, it will change the color that we have already visited the page. Now go to the font, change the color green, press OK. As you can see, color has changed. When I click on it, it will open the link, but it will also change the color of the hyperlink. That means that I have visited this page. If I want to remove the hyperlink, I simply right click on it and click on remove hyperlink. That will remove the hyperlink. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.